Hi, I'm Belle from the Sonoma Test Kitchen, and it is back to school season. So we partnered with our friends at Pottery Barn Kids. So whether you're eating at home or on the go and need a quick lunch, we have easy and delicious recipes that the whole family will love. I am making 1 skillet turkey meatballs with marinara sauce. In my KitchenAid stand mixer, I have some ground turkey, Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, granulated garlic, and a teaspoon of granulated onion. I'm also adding some panko kosher salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Now that my mixture is done, I'm going to pop it in the fridge for 1 hour. So now I'm going to form into meatballs. I'm just gonna add a little olive oil. I'm just going to add my meatballs. And then for the marinara, I am using our Sonoma marinara for this entire jar, just right over the meatballs. I'm going to pop the meatballs and marinara in a 350-degree oven until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees. I'm also going to add a little Parmesan cheese in the middle of the cook time as well. I'm going to give it a little taste. Perfect for a meatball sub, to serve with pasta, or my personal favorite, a salad and a nice big hunk of crunchy bread to soak up all that sauce. Time to pack it up.